Held annually since 1973, the World Environment Day has grown to be the largest global platform for environmental outreach, celebrated by millions of people across the world. With the theme Land Restoration, Stopping Desertification and Improving Drought Resilience, this year's celebration brought to the fore the danger faced by ecosystems around the world and actions needed to protect biodiversity.
The idea is to have the new administration of the Federal Ministry of Environment adopt this as an entry point to promote environment and climate change education and interest among our younger generations, knowing that the future in which the government and diverse program is trying to protect and secure belongs to them. This is an avenue to raise climate-conscious generation and also revive and establish environment clubs.
We are also concerned at the level of the European Union about our own state of the ecosystem. Somebody will ask the question, but how are we going to develop economies if we do not draw natural resources, if we do not use what the ecosystems offer to us?
For the federal government, nature-based solutions such as tree planting is a vital tool for tackling climate change, nature and biodiversity loss, and a cost-effective pathway for Nigeria's drive for environmental restoration.
The minimum forest cover required in terms of trees is 20 to 25%. But currently in Nigeria, statistics saying that we have only 3.7%. So we need to do more in the area of tree planting. We want to encourage agencies, departments, and ministries to come in and support the Ministry of Environment in trying to plant trees all over.
The Special Presidential Initiative for Climate Change Adaptation and Mitigation in the 2024 budget being implemented by the Federal Ministry of Environment contains significant nature-based initiatives. This is in addition to other afforestation, reforestation, and land restoration and reclamation initiatives like the Green Wall, the mangrove restoration, and so on, being implemented under the ministry.
Highlight of the event was the launch of the Climate Justice Youth Ambassadors Network by Oxfam in partnership with the federal government, a coordinated network of young Nigerians who have been equipped with necessary skills to become more effective climate negotiators and actors.